Hey y'all, welcome back to DC Motorworks. I want to take a quick few minutes to show you something real special here. This is a 171 chassis SLK55 AMG. This is actually the smallest roadster convertible that Mercedes made, but with the big AMG V8 installed in it. This is a very nice example with only about 70,000 miles that came in for a slight refresh. Actually had an issue where the remote central locking wasn't working. What we found out is the alarm siren, which is common on these older models, the battery shorts out and they'll start blowing fuses, and the fuse that controls the remote locking actually controls the antenna receiver back here in the left hand corner. So the keys wouldn't work either. See how clean this car is. Silver with black and red interior. It's very classic. So you got the AMG cluster, 200 mile an hour. These actually are one of the first models to use air scarf, which is this button here. So air scarf is a heating element in the headrest with usually 1 or 2 fans to blow hot air on the back of your neck while you have the top down. It actually works very well. It's hard to get back in a convertible that doesn't have it after you've experienced it. Another nice thing about these SLKs is that it's fitted with the 722.9 7-speed transmission that actually no other AMG M113 engine received. All the other ones got the 722.6 5-speed. So this small, light car has 7 gears to choose from, so it's always in the power band. It's a bit of a little rocket ship. So, I'm going to show you under the hood here a couple things we did to this car while it was here. Here you can see how they had to cram this engine, as it has a flush mount oil filter cap, where normally they sit a lot higher. But you can see just how tall the engine is in this chassis. So we resealed the valve covers, did a front belt kit. But, one of the main things we did, got this AC line here and one right off the compressor that were leaking. Actually, these are no longer available from Mercedes-Benz. And first we were kind of concerned that we couldn't get them, but we ended up just having them rebuilt by a local hydraulic hose shop nearby. So he's back in business even with a unobtainium part. Got a fresh set of wires and 16 spark plugs. Refresh the brake fluid. Just got this car fully serviced, so as it sits, it essentially needs nothing but to be driven. See just even how clean the headlights are. Very special cars, these early SLK55s. Kind of unknown and underrated, but a lot of fun. Hard top convertible V8 small 2-seater. If y'all have any questions about this car, feel free to reach out, or if you need service on one of your own, give us a shout. Thank you so much.